Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about another type of collections, which is the set. A set is a collection of unordered unique elements. There are no duplicate elements. The order of set elements doesn't have a significant effect. I'll start with the immutable sets. An immutable set in Kotlin is a collection of unique elements that cannot be modified after it's created. Immutable sets ensure that their contents remain constant and they do not allow duplicate elements. You can use immutable sets when you need to store a fixed set of distinct elements and you want to prevent any changes to that set elements. Immutable sets are created using the set of or set of not null functions in Kotlin's standard library. I'll start using the set of function. Val colors equals to set of function. Here you can specify the generic type, or whenever you put any element, you can get rid of this generic type because it will detect the type of these elements. Red, green, blue. This function, the set of function, allowing you to specify the elements you want to include. The resulting set is read-only and doesn't allow duplicate elements. In this example, the colors set is immutable and you can't add, remove, or modify elements in it after creation. It contains the specified colors and each element is unique within the set. You can access elements in an immutable set by iterating over the set or by checking for the presence of specific elements. Immutable sets are useful in scenarios where you need to maintain a fixed set of unique values that should not change throughout your program's execution. In the same way of what we done in the list, I can iterate through the elements in the set by using the for loop. So every element inside colors immutable set, go and print this item. Run the program, and here we get all the elements of this set. If you need to modify a set, you should use a mutable set created with functions like immutable set of, which allows you to add and remove elements. And this is what we're going to learn in the next video.